Rover Newcastle, we are delighted to present this exceptional 2025 plate CUPRA FORMENTOR VZ3, finished in the sleek midnight black. Riding on eye-catching hailstorm alloy wheels in black and copper, with matrix LED headlights, roof rails and CUPRA's unmistakable sculpted body design, this FORMENTOR commands attention. This near-new CUPRA has one previous owner, full service history, just over 5,000 miles on the clock, and manufacturer warranty until March 2028, presenting an opportunity to own this car with complete peace of mind. At the rear, you'll find a generous and versatile boot space, perfect for all your everyday needs. Inside, the cabin immediately impresses with the distinctive bucket seats that are electrically adjustable with memory and lumbar support. Multicolour ambient lighting and premium Sennheiser sound system are just two features that make this interior outstanding. The sleek dashboard features an intuitive touchscreen for car controls, while above you the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light. At the front is the beautifully designed, heated multifunction steering wheel that gives you direct access to cruise control, volume, heated steering and voice control buttons, as well as the engine start and CUPRA driving profile button. Comfort is enhanced by 3-zone climate control and heated front seats, while the rear camera helps with manoeuvring. Open the sliding sunroof for fresh air and extra light on those nicer and sunnier days. With a full-width LED rear light signature, this FORMENTOR has a truly eye-catching design. With 328 brake horsepower and 0 to 62 in 4.6 seconds, this incredible CUPRA could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.